Okay, so now the aircraft has got what we call the ailerons at the side here. This is called the ailerons here and here. Okay, how does the aileron work? Very, very simple. Now the ailerons are on the wing in this way. Okay, now let's say I want to turn to my left. Okay, when I turn the side stick to my left, this aileron will go up, this aileron will come down. The reason is now the wind is pushing like that, right? You're moving, the wind is blowing. When the aileron got the wind push this aileron, what happened? The wind gonna go down, right? And this one, because the wind is blowing top and bottom, same like here, this come down. When the wind hit here, it's gonna go up. So this way and this way down, so the aircraft is gonna turn. Because one up, one down, it's gonna turn. And what causes the aircraft to turn is the ailerons at the side here. Okay, understand? And how to make it turn? This is what we call the side stick. Okay, you can see the star here. Can you see the star here? Okay, I want you to push the side stick to the left. See what happened to the star? You are turning to the left. Okay, now you let go. Okay, you let go. Turn to your right. Aircraft turns to the right. Okay, let go. You'll come back to the center. It's always designed to come back to the center. Like it's just like a car steering. You turn, you let go, you'll come back to the center. Similarly for you. Okay, so that is the job of the aileron. Now, what makes the aircraft up and down? Up and down. It is what we call the stabilator at the back here. We got the stabilator. The stabilator will go up or go down. If the stabilator go up, when the wind is blowing, when the stabilator goes up, the aircraft actually moves up. Understand? Because now it's like that. It's like that, it will go up like that. When the stabilator come down, it will go down. So, what makes the aircraft go up and down? Okay, I want you to pull it back. Pull the side stick backward. Can you see it climb? Okay, let go, it will go back. And then push forward, it goes down. Okay, alright, so this is what we call the stabilator. Alright, now the last one, which we seldom use, we don't always use, but sometimes, okay, is called the rudder here at the back here. The rudder also move, your left and right. What causes the rudder to move are your rudder pedals at the bottom there. Okay, you may want to let me see if I can get it here. The system always changes. Yeah, I reset again. Just give me a minute. I pause this thing. Yeah, I can take it. Just pause it.
对啊，它就是录这里面的吗？
Okay, so we basically already explained to you the rudder use and all that. Okay, now let me come to this console area here. This is called the FMS. I think you will know. FMS stands for Flight Management System. All right, all the flight plans, all the routes are placed inside this. Okay, let's say I want to put under the let's say I'll let you try this. Okay, all right. Okay, our V1 speed. You put 140, 140, and then you press this. Okay, then you put 145 as your VR. 145. No. You change this one. It should be the second one. Okay, go back to 141. 140. 140. Go back to the first one. Okay, then 145. 145 slowly. Second one. Yes, and then 148. 48. Okay, all right. So this is how they key in. You know, the word will come here. Then where you're looking. Like for example, you can say I'll do. I'll just put 1 and then slash 0, 0.1 up. Okay, can you put it inside here for me? Yes. Right, temperature put it 60 Fahrenheit. 0 is standard. Okay, right? Yeah. Right, so you see keys inside there. Okay, alright. So we are going to go to we are going to use Changi Airport. So Changi Airport is 108.30. Sometimes you cannot remember.
It's ILS, man.
ILS. So you just put ICE. Put ICE.
What is ICE?
ICE. This is the ILS code for Changi Airport. Sometimes you forget the number, you just put ICE. Okay, then you put inside. No. Top. Third one, number 3. Okay. Changi Airport. Okay, Alright, so basically all this is done. Okay, so we don't have to do anything else. Alright, so this is what the flight plan is all. I just wanted to show you how to key in and all that. Alright, and these are the radio frequency which we will not be using it because we don't talk to the ATC. So all these are the radio frequency, the waypoints and waypoint, blah blah blah. We don't use it. Okay? Alright, coming back to this one here. Okay, this is called what they call it speed brakes. When do we use the speed brakes? Any idea when do we use the speed brake? Do we use it on the runway or do we use it in the air? When do we use the speed brakes? Okay, we can use it on the runway, we can also use it in the air. Okay? Right. Let's say now you are coming at a certain height and you have to do a rapid descent, a fast descent. So the tower will tell you descend from flight level 200 to 180, make a rapid descent. So in order to descend fast, you engage speed brakes. How to engage them? There is half and full. Okay, you can either pull it. Okay, you can pull it. You got to press it, half. Then you go up half, and then
spoilt.
Yes, basically it's your speed brakes, I know. All right, okay, you can try press and then pull back. Half. Careful, press, press slowly, relax. Okay, let's say this is full. Okay, half and full. After a while, you get used to it. Now, there's another one. When you come and land, when the aircraft come and land, you will hear this. Correct? You hear this, right? Reverse thrust. Okay. The reverse thrust is activated like this, which means the moment you are in the air, I will pull this up. When I pull this up, means I engage this. Meaning, when I come and touch down, the spoilers are arm ready. The spoilers automatically come up. That means I don't have to do anything. I just focus on the runway. Okay. This has to be armed during your pre-landing checks. Alright, so now we just put it down first, okay? Alright, so these are your speed brakes. This is your rudder trim, which we don't use it like for the rudder, trimming of the rudder. Right,
in real flight, is it auto control by computer? When you say autopilot, you
yes, there's auto 1, auto, all missing. Yeah, I'll set for you later. We finish up this first. Yes, it is. We have AP1 and AP2. Okay, autopilot 1, autopilot 2. Okay, we got both side by side. Alright. Then okay, this is engine 1, this is engine 2. Always start engine 2 first, only then start engine 1. The reason is because all the hydraulics, the power generation, aircon, hydraulics, all is from engine 2. So you always start engine 2 first, then engine. How do you know which is 2, which is 1? On the left is always 1, on the right is always 2. If there are 4 engines, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is engine 1, engine 2. We only got 2 engines. But before we start, we always got to put this here. Ignition. Then we start, okay? Alright? Okay. This is your park brake, your car and handbrake like that. So it's your park brake. This one is basically for emergency use. Let's say your landing gears don't come down. Yes. The gears will drop. Gravity, by gravity, you will just drop and lock. Okay? Alright? That is for the for the landing gears. Okay, these are called the flaps. Okay, they are flap 1, flap 2, flap 3, and full flap. If I engage one flap, okay, flap 1. I move back a little bit more, flap 2. I move 3, and all the way back, full flap. Okay, alright. Now I want you to bring it back. Squeeze. Yeah, okay, that's it. Okay, quite easy. Okay. When you come here, you cannot move back, you got to squeeze. You got to press. Okay? But you got to be very, very gentle. Because this is hydraulics. Yeah, hydraulics got to be very, very gentle. Okay? Very, very gentle.
So, actually, before engine start, those power is come by APU.
Yes, APU. This is APU. This is already on the APU. Okay? Right? Okay, alright. Now, here, same things. This is also similar to this. You can see it's a duplicate. Whatever I have, you have that. See, okay, I'll have it here also. Okay, alright. Alright, same thing, I have it. Whatever you put there, I have it here also. Okay, alright. Same thing, can you see? Exactly the same. Because you key in there, I have it here also. Right, okay. Now, this is flaps. Now, these are the trims, we don't use it at all. These are the aileron trims. Okay, this is the throttle. There are 3 stages to a throttle. This is called idle. Then you have the first one, clip. Okay, idle to the first one is very far, but you can see the first one, the first one.
Indicator.
line like that. This line, and then this line. Okay, alright. But you don't need to. You can feel. You just push until it click. Push slowly together until it click. That's it.
Click. You can hear the sound engine right start.
Okay, this is the when you are cruising. When you want to climb, just a little bit. Little bit, no, just a little bit. Okay, lock ready, right? That's it. Okay, alright. But during an emergency, you want to climb, you need more power all the way down to Stoda, but aircraft will move there. Okay?
Even with the brake on also will move a
Because
bit.
there's too much of power. They want totally power. Okay, alright. And reverse thrust is lift up and bring back. Bring back, lift up, bring back. And let go. Okay, this is reverse thrust. Once the speed comes down to 80 knots, you bring it back and back. Then the thing will come down. The spoilers will come down. Okay, this is the oil spoiler. Okay, alright. Okay, now finish with this. We'll now come to this one. Okay, this is known as the what I call it, the PFD, primary flight display. PFD. Okay, alright. In this primary flight display, I should have shown you the other one. This on the right hand side shows you the height, okay, the altitude, and the left hand side shows you the speed. It is, as the speed is increasing, the numbers will go down. Alright, similarly with the height. Okay, alright, as you climb higher, the height will go down. These two triangles, as you can see, the diamond, are the ILS. When you are coming on finals, you must put this here in the center, this one in the center here. That means you are coming very nice, beautiful. You got to control with this, like, no, I mean you're lining up with the. But that's why I said the landing is interesting. Try to practice the landing part. Okay, all right. This one I think you already know. This is basically
navigation.
Okay, it's not working. I already reset the whole thing. I already reset. Still come back to the same one. You know. Okay, all right. So this is the navigation part. These are your landing gears. When these three greens are on, means the wheel is down and lock. If the light is not on, means something is a problem. Okay, these are the brakes. Auto brake, maximum brake. Now when you are taking off, we have to engage auto brake. Why? In case while you are going to take off, suddenly the engine pump or some problem, you need to stop. You can just reject takeoff. You idle the thing, the brakes will automatically auto. Then you don't need to, you just control the aircraft. They will stop for you. Alright, okay. Coming in also the same. When you land, you don't need to press the brake. It will press for you by yourself. That means they will stop. The aircraft will stop by itself. Okay, this is ECAM. You know what? ECAM is, it tells you what the aircraft problems are and things like that. Right? Okay, let's see. Okay, alright. Okay, this one will show you your aircraft. Yeah. Okay. For example, this one gives us the engine parameter, what the engine has and all that. Okay. Alright. This one shows us the air conditioning and all that. This one is carburetor pressure. Fuel load is here. We already have 8 tons, 470 kg of fuel. We already have now. Fuel on board like FOB. Okay. Alright. Alright. These are the wheel tire pressure. Pressure is indicated because we cannot see what is below, so we have to know. Okay. Hydraulics. Okay. Fuel. Yeah. How much of fuel we have in? There are three tanks. Okay. Alright. There are 3 tanks. APU. Working, not working, it tells you available, not available. Okay, green means available. Okay, bleed, this is for the hot air going to the air conditioning system. Door, this means all the doors are closed. If the color is different, different color, white or whatever, that means the door is not closed. Then you call the cabin crew, tell them please cross check the doors.
Green always mean okay, right?
Yeah, green means all okay already. Okay, that means you from here you check, because as a pilot you cannot go and check every door. Right? From here I can know already. Okay, I got many other work to do, so I'll just check this one by one. Okay, this one was the same thing I want to show you. Okay, like for example the wheel, tire pressure, and this also shows you the speed brake. Let's say I put it half. Can you see? Half. Put it back full. Put it back. It goes up. Because I cannot see the speed brake behind, so this one will tell me the speed brake is engaged or not engaged. Okay, all the way up. Goes down. You see that? Okay, alright. Okay, alright.
This is a backup.
Okay, this is a backup AH. Okay, PFD backup. Because in case everything goes off, you can know whether you're flying straight or not. Without this, you cannot fly. Again, this is an RMI needle, you don't need. So that is a duplicate of everything. Okay, alright. Okay. Let me just pause this for a while and see what happened to. Okay. This is the QNH. QNH is it gives you the height from the sea level to whatever height you're flying. On this, everybody is the same 1013. Okay, for example, everybody flying the same QNH. Okay.
Right.
Sorry. Okay. So again, this one you can change which whether you want the arc. This is the arc. This one tells you you are 10, 20, 30 nautical miles. Okay, the moment you fly from here to here means you already finished 10 nautical miles. Another 10 nautical miles, so on and so on. When you key in the FMS of destination, they will all appear here.
Oh, the waypoint will show, right?
Yes, the waypoint all will be shown here. Okay, all will be shown here. Alright, okay, so you can change to whatever you want, yeah? Alright, okay. This one will give you, of course, bigger, smaller, the waypoints and all that it shows you. Alright, okay, alright, we are WSSS is okay. This one is the airport. If I would remove it, the airport will go away. If I want to know the airport, the all is here. All the airports are there, right? That's wrong. Touch a bit only, everything goes. Okay, so that one we just leave it there. Okay, airport we leave it there, and 1013 and so on and so forth.
发现的在 X， 跟你玩的一样啊。
Sorry, apologies. All this kind of system, too many people they use it. Okay, this is the landing gears. You know what? Okay, how you use it? You pull and up, pull and down. Pull, okay, and then pull and pull out. Always pull out and down. Alright. So
Side this one is only between captain and side this pilot.
Which one? This one?
Pilot.
Oh, this one we normally we don't use it. If I lock it in, you can't use it. Only I can use it. But we leave it open. Anybody can use it at any time.
This button really can move when you want to switch between the two.
Not in this lah. Normal aircraft it does work. Okay, this is more like a simulator only. We don't use that. What's happening here? Come on. Let's see whether I can reset the whole thing again.
首播这边有一个掉下来空装了。
啊，我拉出来。
这也是有的，这也是有的。还有一张这边特写，就是很多手一下飞进去。不过它这设计真的有那个 button 可以管控，如果 switch 没有的 disable 的 button 还是换的。看到没？
不大美。夹在那边。这窗 suppose 应该有那个东西可以开了。
是啊，真的，还有一个斧头可以砍的嘞。
真的咩？
前面有个真的斧头，我老朋友他讲，emergency的时候是给你砍破那个玻璃。
不是
还有一条绳子可以下去的，还有一条绳子哦，给你逃生下去，一个绳子。这个也是没有信到的，但他那边换是跟什么这边一起走的。
你不是一起走啊？你可以，你看你的它，
这可以的。FO 全部不是一起信。
哦，诶，真的有声音的嘞。
是啊，你讲话。